my name is Jasmine. In this video, I'm going to show you about how to convert a Word file or an Excel file into a PDF format. For that, your first thing is needed is that you should have a Acrobat Reader. Here I'm having Acrobat Reader DC. If you don't have, you need to install it. So here Word file is there. I'm having a Word file and there is two sentences I have typed here and I'm going to save this file and browse F drive and practicals folder I'm having. Now the main thing you have to take care is this part. Give any name. I'm giving just word computer and let it be as save as type as Word document and click on save. Now the next option you will see it save as and same location here I'm saving it, but here save as type. You can click the drop down list. As you are having a PDF file, then you just click the drop down list and you'll find out a PDF format is there. Click on that and click on save button. That's it. This is the Word file is converted into a PDF format. You can see Acrobat installer is been opened here. Now how to convert the Excel file? The same procedure it is. Here the Excel sheet I already kept it open. 1, 2. I'm just giving any specific numbers and I'm putting borders which will look nice. And the same way I'm saving the Excel file in a PDF format. The thing is you just need to select from save as type. It is at present Excel workbook which will save in an Excel format. If you want to save in Excel format, so keep it that way and you can rename the sheet. Just click on save and at present it is in Excel format. Now I'm going to save it in a PDF format. The same procedure you need to repeat it. And instead of Excel workbook, select a PDF format. Click on save. And you will observe that an Excel sheet can also be converted into a PDF format. So that's it. It's a 2 to 3 minutes procedure. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.